Hey guys, it's your girl V here. Welcome back to my channel. Let's take a moment and pause. Let's clap. For the new ones that just came through, welcome everybody. I'm V. In today's video, we are going to review the new Too Faced Born This Way facial products. I'm doing their concealer that just released. They just expand their foundation line to 35 shades, so no shades left behind. Yes, mommy, I'm excited. And then also I'm gonna get a little bit into their setting powder as well in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this review today. I hope you enjoy it. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. I mean, if you come and you watching me, I'm watching you watching this video, you might as well subscribe. I mean, I know some of you guys come back and you don't subscribe, but you always come back. So go ahead, just hit that subscribe button down below. But anyways, let's just move along. I'm going to cut this intro short because you're not here for me. You're here for this review. So let's just get right into it. So I grabbed all of these here. So I had to order this online. I hate ordering foundations online and concealers online because sometimes, like, you know, they be finessing and the colors just, the shades just don't be right. So I like to go in person, but it's not in stores yet. It's not available in stores. I think it doesn't become available in stores until July 8th or the 9th or something like that. If I'm wrong, don't come for me, but I think that's when it's supposed to come in stores. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the beauty YouTuber. She has a bigger YouTube channel, but her name is Jackie Aina, and you know, we call her Auntie Jackie. Auntie Jackie is a woman of color. She collabed with Too Faced and they extended the Born This Way foundation line, and I love that they chose to do a collaboration with a woman of color. I think this is amazing because, like, I be feeling some type of way, and if you can relate, let me know down below. I be feeling some type of way when I go into a store, and in the store, you know, you thinking that they're gonna have your shade because you on YouTube looking at this foundation, so you're like, okay, let me go buy this foundation. Then you go into the store and then they don't even have your shade. Like, bruh, what? Like, that blows me every single time. Like, I be feeling so left out. Like, okay, now what the fuck I'm supposed to do? You know? Like, I hate that shit. So, I'm so happy that they extended the line. They added so many deeper shades. Like, a melanin sis, go get this foundation. I'm going to make sure I have the link down below for you guys. If you've never bought this foundation, this is what it looks like. So, this is the Born This Way foundation, and it is a medium to full coverage foundation. Never gotten this foundation before. If you've seen it in stores, but you've always walked past it. So this is what it looks like. There's 1 fluid ounce in this bottle. I live for inclusion. Like, I just love inclusion. Like, if you make me feel like I'm important, I'm going to spend my shmoney. You know what I mean? This foundation retails for $39. This is my first time testing this foundation out. The top off, it comes with this beautiful pump, so I really like that. Be able to control your product better that way. I'm going to put it on my cheek and see which one we're going to work with today. So this one is Cocoa. Okay. And then I'm going to swatch Mahogany. Okay, Mahogany looks real bright. Okay, this is Mahogany. And then I'm going to test out Chai. And this is Chai. This is what I mean, y'all. I'm telling y'all, they be finessing. Like, this is why I bought 3. So, I'm going to do, it's obvious that I'm going to do Cocoa. I'm going to prep my face a little different because it's going to be 100 degrees in Minnesota today. And my face is not going to just be slippery slip slide slide. You feel me? I'm an oily girl, so let me hurry up and get my face together. I'm going to use the Born This Way translucent powder. So this is what the translucent powder looks like. And this is how the top of it looks with the lid off. And you just pop it up like this. I'm going to set my oily areas too. I told you I was going to do something different. So I'm gonna set, oh, that's like really red. This is going to fill in your pores even more. The translucent powder has a new shade too, I believe. So they have 3 shades. They have light, a medium, and a deep. And I probably should have went with the medium one. I don't know. So they have 3 shades. And this retails for $32. Now that I've attacked all the areas where I usually have my problems at, I'm going to pump about, ooh, that's 1 pump, y'all. Y'all see that? That's 1 pump. That's a lot in 1 pump. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps then. That is a lot. Look at this. This is a lot of foundation just for 2 pumps. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. Okay, I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush and I'm just going to, let me blend it out over my cheek. Now it says it's full coverage. That looks really good. I'm going to blend this down my neck some. Those 2 little pumps just did all this, y'all. Ain't that crazy? It's lit. So I like the way that blended down. I want to move on. These are the new concealers that they have. And the packaging is just the same across the board. So this was one of the biggest things like everybody was going crazy over, was the fact that they had these new concealers. Like I was even shocked. I'm like, wow, like what? There's 20 shades of this concealer and they are oil free. They can be used to conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. They're weightless and hydrating, so skin is never dry or cakey. They wear for 12 hours just like the Born This Way foundation. And they are photo friendly and there's no flashback. What the concealer looks like in a bottle, it's very massive. Like it's freaking huge. This is a spoolie and it's a big spoolie actually. It's really, really nice. That looks like that's gonna go on really, really good. The price on this is $29 as well. So $10 cheaper than the foundation. I'm really excited about this application. So this first one is chestnut. So I'm going to show you guys chestnut. Okay, so that's chestnut. I like that. Then this is mocha. Yeah, mocha is very bright. This shade right here reminds me a lot of my Tarte Shape Tape and Deep. This reminds me of my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the shade 4N. So I would conceal with chestnut and then I would just highlight with the shade mocha. So I'm going to just take chestnut and like I mentioned, I'm going to conceal under my eyes. It's really creamy. I like that it's super creamy and easy to move. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender real quick. So now I'm going to take mocha and I'm going to highlight. It doesn't dry down too fast, which is really good. So you get some playtime with it. Blend it out real good, and it's not creasing under my eyes, which is always a problem. Like I always get like creases, they get in those little cracks there where my skin folds. I want to take a little bit of the Born This Way setting powder and set this. I'm so scared to use this because it looks really dark compared to my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. So let's see. I'm going to put it on my chin first. Okay, that's not bad. And it's really smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and set. It just looks like it has like a little reddish undertone. But it's supposed to be a translucent powder, so. But it is blurring everything. But I was afraid to go with the second shade. Only because I don't like looking ashy. And I thought, I don't know, ever since I did my Makeup Revolution, when I did the wrong banana powder, it was just too light. And I didn't like that. So I get a little hesitant because I don't like looking ashy. Not even in the middle of a review. I just don't like that. It's really nice. It's really smooth. And I feel like my skin looks so soft. It's always going to look good in the beginning, but you have to give it time to seep into the skin, work it through the day. So I'm going to finish my whole face and then I'll come right back. Alright, so I'm back. Calm down, girl. I need to calm down, but I'm back. Okay, this is how my face looks. Looking fine. Sus, black melanin queen. Yes, mommy. Look how my face looks right now. I look so freaking beautiful. I look so snatched. Y'all see that? No flashback though. No flashback though. Let me go about my day. Let me get ready for the rest of the day. So right now, y'all see what time it is. It's 7:38. I'm gonna do 12 hours. Why am I so high? I got too much energy. Too much energy. But my face looks so good. Oh, I'll see you guys later so I can give the final thoughts. Don't leave. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Let me give my final thoughts. 1, my skin looks so good. Why does my skin look so good? Why is it so matte? Why is it so intact? I did get a little bit oily around my nose area, but that's always been a problem area for me. I always get oily, so it's kind of difficult to keep it matte. And with 100 degrees outside, I feel like this foundation held up very, very well. So kudos to Too Faced for this formula and this foundation. I don't know what you use, but honey, I look like I was born this way. Well, let me touch up real quick because I haven't touched up all day. So it's 8:04. I want to show you guys what I meant when I said I felt like they finessed these shades. So these are what the shades look like here. The foundation bottles look like this. It's overall going to be difficult to choose your shade. So that's the only thing that I really don't like, is that I struggle finding my shade online, and I had to guess and buy 3, and that's a problem in my opinion. So that's one thing, that's like one of the biggest things I didn't like, is the fact that the foundation is hard to match unless you go into a store, which can be very inconvenient for some people because sometimes you don't even have time to go to a store. The translucent powder, I wish that it wasn't so, like, the undertone of it is like a rusty reddish undertone. I wish it wasn't really rustic red of an undertone. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but I just wish it wasn't. I don't know. That's just my personal preference. I just didn't like that. I think that they did such a good job. The concealer is so nice. I think the face products are amazing. I love that they expanded the foundation line. That was the best thing that could have happened with any brand. So kudos to you guys. I love that. So thank you so much for that. That is amazing. Jackie, congrats. This is goals, like for real. Goals as fuck. Like I can't wait until it's my turn. I can't wait until I get my chance to do something like this and collab with another brand. Subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that subscribe button. It's time to join the family. You done made it to the end. Why not? You should have hit it in the first 5 seconds like I told you to in the beginning. But we're not even going to go there, sis. Okay. Anyways, love everybody. I will see you guys in my next upload. And have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.